video, I'm going to share with you how to solve the problem of the InstantChill freezing ice cream in the bottom. This is just going to be part of using this machine. Basically, the cooling plate down there is what's touching directly the ice cream that's being pressed into it, so that's going to naturally freeze quicker, okay? But there's a couple things that you can do to help this process and still have good ice cream turnout. So let me show you. Okay, we have about 4 minutes left on our timer, so it's been a total of 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and stop the machine now because it seems like 20 minutes is a good time. And let's scrape the bottom there. We have ice cream sticking to the bottom. Okay, so first I'm gonna remove this and get most of the ice cream into the bowl. Now, the first thing you can do right away is just go ahead and start scraping it. Now, I'm scraping it when this had 4 minutes left to go, so I would suggest scraping the bottom before the timer is completely done to make this even easier. But I don't want you to be discouraged if the ice cream is sticking to the bottom. This is not a problem, you guys. This is still nice, delicious, churned ice cream. It's just a little colder than the ice cream on top. So I don't think you did anything wrong if this is happening to you. This is happening for me for all of my ice creams, vegan and non-vegan. Now, first, what I am going to say is I actually made this ice cream the other day, and what I thought was kind of cool is it made like ice cream chips. Okay, so I kind of called it ice cream chips and served it like this, and it was still really delicious. So that's one option. Now, the next option is you can take both of the paddles and kind of smash the ice cream, kind of like you've seen maybe at Cold Stone Ice Cream Creamery. Go ahead and mix it all together. This will help the softer part of the ice cream mix with the harder part and give it a more uniform consistency. So basically, I'm just gonna take these two paddles and almost like smear the ice cream together. This is gonna just help it mix together. And this doesn't take very long, okay? This is basically, I don't know, a minute or two. So then you have kind of more of a mixed, thoroughly mixed ice cream where some of the ice cream chips are mixed in with the creamier ice cream, and it all kind of blends together. Now, the third thing you can do is go ahead and just put the lid back on at this point and churn it. And I'll show you what happens when that is done. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the mix function. And I'm just gonna let it churn together now. This will help mix everything even more if you really don't want that those ice cream chips. Okay, so it's been just about 3 or 2.5 minutes and it's been churning together like that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off because honestly at this point, this looks really good. I don't really need to do much else with this ice cream, and I don't have those chips of ice cream anymore. So that's how I've been troubleshooting with the InstantChill if you're having a problem with the ice cream sticking to the bottom of the machine. I hope this was helpful for you. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm sharing a whole bunch of InstantChill ice cream recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.